at your little baby face. You're a good boy. It is so warm, Charlie. How are you not so hot with all that fur? I am boiling and I haven't got all that fur. My goodness me. It might be too early for everybody to turn up today. Who's going to turn up? Who is going to be here in a minute? Oh, Lynn has joined us. Good morning, my darling. I hope that you've had a lovely weekend. I had a quite relaxing one, actually, so I didn't do an awful lot apart from a bit of crafting. So I've been busy today, though. I got up nice and early and got all the gifts ready to go up to Asda, which I've just delivered. Hi, Carolyn, my darling. It is super, super muggy. I don't know if it is where you all are, but it's really warm. Really, really, really muggy. I don't know how Charlie's not sweating his little fur off. Look at him. Look. Oh, you're so beautiful. Is you in a good mood today? He's in a lovely mood, everybody. Aren't you? Say hello to everybody then. Face this way. Don't be rude. Don't show them your bottom. Right, I have a few bits to show you today. I'm doing my video early because I want to go out to the police station. It's quite a way. It's quite a drive. So I'm going to get all the gifts ready to go there. It's very muggy, isn't it? It's really, really muggy, and especially when you have your hair down. Crafting and sitting out in the sunshine. Oh, how wonderful. It is lovely out. It really is. But I have gifts to give out today, so I'm a bit nervous about going to the police station, actually. My cats are sunbathing. I guess the fur insulates them from the heat. I guess it does. I am boiling. Honestly, I'm so hot. It's not even funny. Right, lots to show you. I was busy crafting at the weekend and I did a load of these little notebooks. They were really cool. I got these off of oh, why has that not got a thank you so much in there? That's missing a thanks so much. So these are just little notebooks that I've been making. Just really because I've been going through all the gifts and there's some little bits, you know, like Lynn, your hearts that you sent, they could probably go in with a notebook. I've also been making these little, hi Denise darling, I've actually been making these little gift sets, and what they are, they're just a set of cards and envelopes. That's all they are. And I just thought that they would make a super cute little gift as well. So, because I've been sorting out the gifts and there's, you know, lots of little bits. So I thought, well, I could put a little pack of cards in there and a notebook in with the little things. So I've been busy doing those. Let me move these over there. So they're done. There's 15 of those, but I've still got to do the card sets. I've done 6 of them. So I've made some boy ones as well. And I made 3 boy ones and 3 girl ones. So they're just super cute. Just to pop in. I've just got to put some ribbon on that one. So they're done. Whoops. Right, okay, what have we had arrive in the post? These are from the wonderful Jackie Burke. I'll get all these out. She sent a lovely lot of thank you cards, and aren't they just gorgeous? Because I was running low on thank you cards. They're just lovely. So she's replenished my stash of thank you cards. So I mean, I don't know if I do actually have enough for the gifts that I have, but I thought if not, I'll have to sit and make some thank you cards, which wouldn't be a huge problem. I can always put some together if we're short. So there's a lovely lot of thank you cards there, and she's done these super lovely square ones as well. Just lovely. So these are from the lovely Jackie Burke. I've posted out the gifts. So Denise, your giveaway prize has gone. Kay, I don't know if she's not here, is she, Kay? I've sent out your gifts today, so I've just been to the post office now, so you should be getting them in the, well, hopefully this week. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? How, look, black again, black. Oh, that's pretty as well. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Hi, Gemma, my darling. Hope that you are well. You're very welcome, Denise. Hope you like it. Oh, some happy birthday cards. So we're going to put these into a couple of gift sets as well. So that's another couple of gift sets here. So look at that one. I love that. Do you know, I think I actually have that. That is super lovely. That die, I'm sure I have that die somewhere. But look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, she's embossed that. Look at that. How delicious that is. Yummy, yum. Happy birthday. Another happy birthday. And happy birthday. Happy birthday. These are super gorgeous as well. So we will definitely have a couple of sets of gifts there. Right. So they're from the lovely Jackie Burke. And then I have 2 boxes arrived from the lovely Moira Williams. And she sent in some gorgeous, lovely, look at these. Oh my gosh, your Pawsome. How delicious is that? And how cute are these headbands? You know, hair ties. What a great idea. And look, they are these lovely little flip books so that you can, she's done this really cool because she's done January, February, so it's like a little calendar. How cute is that? With the You Are Pawsome on the front. I love it, love it, love it, love it. That is super cute. She's put a couple of those in there. Aren't they just delicious? And what else do we have in here? Oh, she's put a lovely little card in for me. Isn't that super cute? And look, there's another one with the Pussycats. She's doing it on purpose, putting in the cat ones because she knows I love the cats. Aren't they just delicious? Oh my god, these are super cute. Where do you get these images from? Oh, I love them. And then I'm not going to open this, but this is like a planner thing when you lift this up. So this is all nicely sealed up. But it's got like the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday planner on there. So that was one box, but she sent in 2 boxes. A birthday book. Oh, you're right. It is a birthday book, Carolyn. Oh, I did. Oh, look, another one. Oh my gosh, how delicious these are. You're right, Carolyn. It's a birthday book. I'm having a blonde moment. This is one of those pads. I did open it and have a little peek. And this is just my week notes to do and the weekend. How super cute is that? And she's covered that. And I think there's something else. Oh my gosh, this has got a unicorn on. Oh, how gorgeous is that? Just lovely. So thank you so much, Moira. They are delicious. I love your ideas that you have. And then the wonderful Jill Fowler has sent more wonderful goodies in. Oops, I can get them all out. Get them out, Chanel, get them out. I have a cupboard now, which is just full of brown boxes. My husband said, oh my God, Chanel, what are you doing? Because I don't like throwing away cardboard boxes in case you need to post something. And I have a cupboard in my bedroom and it's just full of brown boxes now. So she sent in some more of these mixed paper blocks, which I love. Thank you so much from the Crafting for the Heroes team. And it's got all these different cardstock in. Isn't that super cool? White cardstock, craft cardstock, black cardstock. Oh, love them. So she's put in a couple more of those and some lovely notebooks. And in the front, she's also put a little message from us as well. So we've got some lovely notebooks for gifts as well. Aren't they just gorgeous? And she has put some more of her delicious cards in here. Look at those. Oh, Jill. She's not here today, is she? Where is Jill today? Hi, Nita. So look at these gorgeous sets of cards that she has put in here. So we are at 850 gifts now, 150 to go, not including, I've included the notebooks and the card sets that I made, but I haven't included these that have arrived today. So we've got a few more to knock off of our goal. Hi, Leslie, darling. Look at those with the wooden heart on. Aren't they just gorgeous? Oh, these are thank you so much for, oh, these are thank you cards then. These are not card gift sets because she's put that inside. So these are to use as thank you cards. Right, okay, we'll make sure I look through her cards because I didn't look through the other lots that she's put in here. And then there's another set here. Let me just open these. She always seals these up so well that I can never get into them. Because I needed some thank you cards. That's why she's done some, because I was short of them. So these are all thank you cards that say thank you so much from the Crafting for the Heroes team. Aren't they just lovely for the boys? So, oh, look at the boys' shoes. And we have, oh, gorgeous cats. Hi, darling. Hope you're well, Nita. I haven't seen you in ages, honey. These are just too precious. So she has made some wonderful thank you cards. They can go in my thank you card box ready to go with the rest of the gifts. And let's have a look and see what she's done here. Because some she sent in for gifts and some she sent in for thank you cards. Aren't they just beautiful with the butterflies on? I was short of thank you cards, so she's come to my rescue. Oh, these are just gorgeous. Oh, that's pretty as well. Look at that. Oh, it's a Scotty dog. Just lovely. And then last pack. So, right, so we will have, let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've knocked about another 15 off of the our total with these. Yeah, these are, look at these cards, the rabbits. Oh, they're just too cute. Aren't they just delicious? I love them. I love her cards. Oh my gosh, she sat and cut all these out. All okay, thank. Need to catch up after this madness. Definitely, honey. We must catch up. Oh, look at these dogs. So thank you so much, Jill, for the thank you cards. I did need some. And thank you to Jackie Burke. Thank you to Moira Williams for what we've received today. Sounded like I was going to do the grace then, didn't it? You know, when you eat your dinner. So I am off to the police station now to deliver some more gifts. And I will be getting more ready this week. So we're getting through them. We're getting them out. And then whatever we have left, I have another hospital to do. And a few other places. So, oh, keep up the good work, everybody. We are nearly there. When we reach 1,000 gifts, we have a big surprise. I have a big surprise for you all. Oh, Charles. So, not far away now, my darlings. You are doing a fantastic job. I'm going to be making some more gifts. Try and make up the numbers and everything. So that's it for today. It's only a quick one, my lovelies. I just thought I'd pop on, say hello, check in with you, make sure you're all okay. And I will probably see you, if not tomorrow, the day after. But hope they let you out again. Hope they let you out again. What, the police? Are you on about the police, Carolyn? Oh, bless. Hi, Kay. Right, okay. What was I going to say? Yes, so I'm off to the police station in a bit. I'm a bit nervous and I don't know why. I don't know, but I delivered all them to Asda, and my lady at Asda's going to hopefully hand them out later on today. She said that she's going to try and give them to the staff that have been doing, you know, been there the whole time, because a lot of them have been off. So she knows who's been in the whole time because she's been in the whole time. Oh, the police, Carolyn, how rude. Why would they want to keep me? I'm a good girl. I'm not a naughty girl. I'm a good girl. I might not want to leave the police in uniform though, however. No, I didn't say that. Right. Of course I would want to leave. I have a dashing husband now. Oh, and I also got another package, which I actually left downstairs, which says do not open until the 7th of July. So I think that's linked to our anniversary, I think. I'm not sure who it's from because it didn't have a name on it or anything, but we will have to see. It's a surprise. Right, okay, so if I'm not here tomorrow, I'll be here the next day because you're so lovely. What, they might want to keep me. They might want to put handcuffs on me. Right, don't even go there. Right, I know. I make you all laugh, don't I? He's been a good boy today. Are you being a good boy? He's been a good boy. Do you know what? I love these. Moira Williams. Look, your possum. I just keep looking at these little lovely images. Right, we are going. Have a lovely day. And I'll see you all very soon. I'll hopefully try and get pictures of some policeman or policewoman or a policeman or policewoman, I think. I don't know. I don't know how it works. You should get the small parcel today. My post has already been, my darling, so hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get more post. I think there's a few boxes that are due to arrive. I know that there's one missing from Spain, and also Judith from New Zealand has sent a box. Moira, honey, I was just been showing your lovely cat things. Look at these. Pack it in, you scraggy little boy. Look at these. I've just shown all these off, my darling. You're just taunting me with these cat images, aren't you? Look at this. Look. Isn't it gorgeous? Bye, Lynn, darling. Right, I am going because I've waffled for too long. I shall see you all in the next couple of days. I love you guys and see you all very soon. So take care. Bye. Look, I hurt my finger. Never mind. Bye, everyone.